Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel chapter 6 hand on exercise 3 simulation exam. So open the Excel chapter 6 hand on exercise 3 simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel chapter 6 hand on exercise 3 simulation exams. Click the starts. So open the Excel chapter 6 simulation exam. So Excel chapter 6 hand on exercise 3 simulation exams. Click the launch. And total question is 4. So we move to the question number 1. Perform a goal 6 analysis to determine the what is the sale price in column B needed to the wanted operating in column B to 350,000 accept the solution. So sale price in column B wanted to the income column operating income column what references to the operating income column from the sale price in column B. So sale price in column B. So go to the data tabs, go to the for cost groups and click the button flashes and click the goal 6. And next is B need wanted to the operating income column B. So type the values 350,000 and by changing cell is to operating income and click OK. Sorry. And next is to the sale price column B need to be if you wanted to the operating income in column B and accept the solution and click OK and again OK. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is create a scenario named best case scenario using the range B4 to B7 as the changing cell and enter these value for the scenario and 45 respectively. Do not scroll the scenario manager after the completed these steps. So go to the data tabs and go to the what influences and click the scenario managers and click ads and scenario name is to best best case scenario and next is to B4 to B7 and click OK and next is as the changing cell entered this value for the scenario is to the 5 15 thousands and type 0 and next is to the hundreds thousands and sale price to the 45 click OK and next is create the second scenario call to the roast case scenario using the range B4 to B7 as the changing cell enter this value for the new scenario value in the respectively and do not close the scenario manager. So click the adds and scenario name is to the roast care scenario, and click OK. And next is to the enter the new value, and variable cost per unit is 200, and unit output is to the 500, and next is sale price to 30, and click OK. And next is add the third scenario calls to the most likely scenario using the same range. Enter these value for the new scenario respectively and do not close the scenario manager after the completing steps. So add the third levels and scenario name is to the most likely scenario, and using the same range click OK. And next is to enter the values to the 70,000, so type 70,000, and next is variable cost per unit is to type the 10, and 700 is to unit output, so 700 is unit output is to the 700, and sale price is to the 14, so 14, click OK. So I have done the assignments, and see the scores is to the Excel chapter 6 is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email.